Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is circle shape, circle. This is star shape, star. This is rectangle shape, rectangle. This is pentagon shape, pentagon. This is square shape, square. This is triangle shape, triangle, circle, star, rectangle, pentagon, square, triangle. Dear kids, let's color it with this color. This is pink color. This is pink color. I am drawing pink color in circle shape. Next one. This is green color. This is green color. I am drawing green color in star shape. Next one. This is red color. This is red color. I am drawing red color in rectangle shape. Next one. This is light green color. This is light green color. I am drawing light green color in pentagon shape. Next one. This is yellow color. This is yellow color. I am drawing yellow color in square shape. This is blue color. This is sky blue color. I am drawing sky blue color in triangle shape. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. This is circle shape, star shape, rectangle shape, pentagon shape, square shape, triangle shape. Thank you kids for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.